Hi everyone, dear students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Dear students, as you requested me, today I am going to discuss lesson that is Kalpana Chawla in space. Dear students, already you have known about Kalpana Chawla. She was an American astronaut. She was the greatest engineer and first Indian woman virgin to go to space. Okay, what happened in the space shuttle? What are the elements she used? All that you have known very well. Today we are going to discuss a fifth paragraph. Okay, let us begin. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. Kalpana Chawla's first space mission in the space shuttle, where she spent 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. During that time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 1045 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut. She spent 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes along with a crew. Crew means already you have known very well, a group of people who operate machines in the aeroplane, okay, who are expert at repairing aeroplane, that is called crew. They belong to Japanese and Ukrainian country. Next one, the crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. These people spend $56 for making stronger metal and faster computer chips in the space, where they try to growth food in this space. Next one, on the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. On the Saturday night, people had to hear a great disaster, means very sad news, that is the disaster broke out, means the aeroplane and rocket were broke out. There was a shock and disbelief. When it broke out, nobody was ready to believe it. Okay, next. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived, a journalist wrote. The town of Karnal spent sleepless because in Karnal city, in the Karnal town, it was totally, some kind of peaceful environment. At that time, thousands of people were seeking forward this incident, and everybody hoped that Kalpana and her members were somehow survived, but that was not possible. That was the big tragedy of this incident. And next, a journalist wrote about this incident. What is that incident? Let us read out. She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. Journalists spoke about her capacity. He compared to her, she was a heroine. She has a lot of knowledge about biology, astrophysics, and she was an inspiring woman to everyone to achieve something in space shuttle. Okay, but big tragical incident had happened in her life. Next one. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from abroad the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get it onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." For for millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana has been inspired. She she comes from very poor family, small village. She achieved a lot in her life, and she said, "You have a vision to find out exit, correct exit way of life. Here, if you really put your hard work, definitely you come to a great vision." So, this is about Kalpana Chawla. Today, dear students, as you told me, I have completed Kalpana Chawla's lesson completely. Just I have taken last 2 paragraph of the lesson. Okay, dear students, in next class we are going to take up exercise part of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.